Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classdata.com where we will be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is, which of the following would be considered project based on the definitions from text and a lecture? Option A, the design and development of a new product. Option B, gathering and interning employment data for a bureau of a labor statistics. Currently report. Option C, producing a car and automobile assembly line. Option D, answer 1 and 2 above. Option E, answer 1 and 2 and 3 above. The correct answer of the question option A, the design and development of a new product. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classdata.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there an ask section on the right side of the website. Fill the form and I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.